Alright guys, so this is a Samsung dryer, and the issue with this guy it's not turning on, supposedly. I have not checked it, but what I did check was the drum. I tried rotating the drum, and it's very difficult to rotate the other way. Like it's now Samsung goes counterclockwise rotation, so which is fine, but it's not smooth. But it should still be able to go the other way. You got to be careful because you could take the belt off. So I wouldn't even plug this thing in yet, just because it is probably gonna just, bind. But let's plug it in just to see. Start. See that? So that sound is something is caught in the motor. So first thing I would check is the blower housing, and something sounds like something very simple. So if you hear that with your machine, just start with opening her up. And to get in this machine, you do have to remove that screw. And by the way, that is a special screw that belongs right there. You have two more down here. So if you do take your machine apart, those go back right down here. And then you'll need a putty knife. Get under here and lift slowly the top. And then you have a couple of screws on the front. I'll show you. And you pretty much can see what's going on. Then you have to remove your lint holder. It's a little metal piece. You'll see that it sits right down there. So, all right, let's dig into this and see what we got. Alright, so we can see what's already here. Okay, see that? Motor can't move. See that? That's it. That's why I make these videos, guys. Alright. While you're down here, you can take a look. Don't take the rest of the machine apart. This is a brand new machine. This is pretty brand new. Look how clean it is. So, I'm going to button this back. We'll clean that out. Button it back up and press start, and she should be good. Now, remember I was showing you the drum? Okay, what is that? Oh, my putty knife. Your drum should rotate either way, okay? Nice and smooth. So we're going to put this back together. Pretty straightforward. Clean this, put it back. 3 screws. Okay, and then of course you have your cover, then you have your lid switch, and it's done, and the machine is fixed. It's hot. Excellent. Nice and hot. I don't see a light in this unit though. Maybe it doesn't have one. Nope, it doesn't have. But it's nice and hot. Alright, thanks for watching.